Okay guys, so I'm back out on the beach to try my luck again. I let go a really nice jack this morning and a shark almost spooled me. It's in the afternoon, so there are a lot of people on the beach. If I'm supposed to fish or not, I'm not sure. But I'll fish until someone tells me to stop. Here goes nothing. Hoping for a jack crevalle, maybe a snook, even a bluefish or ancho. Anything actually. Lizard fish. I just want to catch a fish. Okay guys, this morning I tried this method and a shark took me, so I'm going to try it back again. Put on new line on the rod. Let's see if I can bring this shark in. Bacon shark Florida style. I have some spectators in the background there. I'm a bit of a celebrity in Trinidad, you know. There goes nothing. Fish! Sir?
What is it?
I don't know. Nah, I had to fight this one. Big jack, guys. I got it. A big jack crevalle, guys. Look at the size of this fish off the beach. Woo. What is it?
It's a tuna, right?
It's a jack crevalle.
Oh.
A jack. Woo. This guy has some teeth. My bag. Oh, don't worry. Oh yeah, I got one. It's a jack crevalle. Jack crevalle. It's pretty big. I'm gonna throw him back, eh? Nice guy, man. Woo. There he goes. Woo. So guys, did you see that? I caught that fish with the piece of mullet I got from the bird. I knew that mullet was for me. It was meant to be. I'm gonna use the same piece because I don't have any more. See if I can get hook another one. That took no time at all with the bait on the line. That was awesome, guys. On this 6'6" travel rod, that was a fight. Last piece of cut bait for me, guys. We'll get one more jack crevalle like that with this bait. I'll be golden. That seems like the honey spot right there. This weather is changing, man. It looks like it's gonna pour. I hope it gives me like half an hour to fish again. I don't have much time here. But I'm already feeling the rain. That really sucks. Most of the Floridians are still on the beach. Oh no, everyone's going. Should I be going? I want to fish. So it is raining on Fort Lauderdale Beach. I am taking shelter under the lifeguard tower. Meantime, I put on a spool tech claw. Never used it before. It's pretty cool. If the rain stops, I'm gonna take a few casts with it. But it is pouring, guys. A little bit of sunshine in the distance. Okay, guys, the rain has more or less subsided. So I'm gonna take a few more casts. Leaving my bag under the tower. That was my shelter. I don't think anyone will pass. The beach is more or less deserted after that rain. So let's give it a try. I have the spool tech claw. This lure is pretty awesome. You hook a fish, the hook deploys, and there's a leader, a wire leader inside of the fish, and then you can fight the fish without the lure against its mouth. This thing here, you use it and you pull back in the leader when ready. So let's give it a try. Never used it. It's a well-known snook killer. That's one I want to catch. Swimming pretty cool. Casting pretty far as well. Okay guys, so I'm going to take about 5 more casts with the spool tech and call it. Rain again is coming back down. So nothing with the spool tech. I'm gonna try my DOA Carl shad tail for about 10 casts and call it a day. Last try for the day, guys. Caught a hit. Don't know what it was, but it was small. I'll take 3 more casts, guys, and call it a day. Fish, fish, fish. Fish, 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 fish. On the DOA Carl. It's some moonshine. Here he is, guys. A moonshine, or they call him a look down here in Florida. Check him out. Florida coastline. And release him. I think this same guy took my line just now. So what a day, guys. I fished this morning, hooked that big jack crevalle on the Yozori crystal minnow. It got away in the weed. Then I chased that bird away. I got the mullet, cut it up, hooked that monster fish. I think it's a shark. Just about spooled me, burst the line. I put on the DOA Carl shad, and I caught a nice jack crevalle. And that was it for the morning. Came back this evening, used the cut mallet again, hooked a really nice jack crevalle, pulled him in. Got a really good fight, but I was only bought 2 pieces of bait. The rest is in the fridge in the hotel, so I'll try that in the morning again. And then I use back the day I call and pull a look down or moonshine. Pretty good day on Florida, Fort Lauderdale Beach. Thanks for watching, guys.